In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Us West 2.TurboTax Online, Intuit.com. We'll walk through what Form 1099-K is, when you'll receive it, what it shows, and exactly how to enter it into TurboTax, whether you're self-employed or just an occasional seller. Form 1099-K is an IRS form that reports payments you received for goods or services through third-party payment platforms and credit card processors. Think of apps and marketplaces such as PayPal, business transactions on Venmo, Stripe, Etsy, eBay, and gig platforms like rideshare, delivery, or short-term rentals. Its purpose is to help the IRS track income from business or self-employment activities, even when the money comes through apps rather than invoices. You'll typically receive a 1099-K by January 31st if your payments for goods or services are over the current threshold and they were processed by a payment network or card processor. Personal transfers like splitting rent or paying a friend back aren't taxable and shouldn't be reported on a 1099-K. On the form, you'll see the gross amount of payments before fees, the number of transactions, the name of the platform, and tax identification details. Remember, gross means fees and commissions aren't subtracted yet. You'll enter those later as expenses if they apply to your business. If you're self-employed or run a small business, use TurboTax Self-Employed or TurboTax Home and Business. Open your return, and in the left menu, go to Income and Expenses. Choose Self-Employment Income and Expenses. Select Add Income, then Form 1099-K for payment card and third-party network transactions. Enter the total gross amount from your form, assign it to the correct business or activity such as your online shop or freelance work, and continue to enter your related expenses like processing fees, supplies, or platform commissions. TurboTax will calculate your net income and apply the proper tax rules. If you're not self-employed and you sold personal items at a loss but received a 1099-K anyway, go to Wages and Income. Choose Less Common Income. Then Miscellaneous Income, 1099-A, 1099-C. Select Other Reportable Income and enter a description such as personal items sold at a loss not taxable with an amount of 0 or adjusted for your cost basis if appropriate. Keep your sales records in case the IRS requests documentation. A few quick tips. Avoid double reporting if you also have a 1099 NEC or 1099 MIC. Make sure your business expenses are captured and review your return so personal sales aren't taxed by mistake. For Canadian users, 1099-K is a US form. If you're a Canadian resident receiving US-based payments, report that income on your Canadian return as foreign income in TurboTax Canada under Income, Foreign Income, Business or Self-Employment Income. Thanks for watching.